Hey guys, this is again krishush with another fantastic video in Java. So in this tutorial we are going to learn about loops. What is loops? So basically this is an introduction video about loops, what is loops, how it works. So first of all, as you can see, a loop is a part of control flow statement. So yeah, when we need to write any statement which will run continuously. So at that point we can use loops. So as you can see on the second point, to run the particular block of code continuously until a required condition is fulfilled is called looping. So yeah, that is what I have told you. Loop is used when there is a need to execute a part of program multiple times. Yeah, you can also write that program multiple times, but if if there is a condition and you need to run it for 500 times or 1000 times, so at that point you must write a loop there, and after that only you will able to use it perfectly. And as you can see the types of loops, so yeah, there are four types of loops: for loop, while loop, do while loop, and for each loop. So we will also going to learn about these loops in details in our next videos. So if you have not hit that subscribe option, so please hit that option. So yeah, there is a control variable called the loop counter. We will learn about that also. And the control variable must be initialized. In other words, it must have an initial value. So yeah, if you want to run any loop, so for that you must initialize any value. After that only you will able to use the loops, and you must use the incrementation or decrementation also for the value. So the increment and decrement of the control variable, which is modified each time the iteration of loop occurs. So yeah, at like how much time you want to run your loops, it is depend on that. Like, you must write the incrementation. After that only it will increment or decrement, but you must initialize the value how much time you want to run the program or want to run the code. The loop condition that determines if the looping should continue or the program should break from it. So as we had told you, I had told you that you must stop the loop, because if you will not stop, your system will be hanged or anything will be happen, because your program will not stop running. It will executing continuously, it will running continuously. So hopefully guys you have enjoyed this video, and if you have enjoyed this, so please like it, comment below if you have any query, subscribe if you have not yet subscribed, so please guys subscribe it, and please do not forget to press the notification bell. Thank you for guys watching this video. Bye bye.